welcome back to a new video of Imagine and Create. In this video, I'll be showing you a live subscriber counter and the views counter, which shows the amount of people who have viewed my channel. So as it shows the YouTube logo over here, and it shows current 44 subscribers, and 1649 people have viewed the channel. So to make this, please see the whole video. So let's get started. This project will be needing a 4-foot automatic display module, CMOS T1 mini, some female to female jumper cables. So now let's do the connections. So now we have made the connection. Now let's just check out the code. So guys, this is the code. I'll be putting the link for the code in the description below. So you will need all these libraries. So you can get them on GitHub. I'll be putting this YouTube API, this YouTube API library in the description also, and with the link. So now let's see. You have to put the API key as I have shown already. Then here we need to put the channel ID. I'll just show you how to put the channel ID. Open a new tab, open youtube.com, and 1 minute. Go to the search and search for your channel. For my case, my channel. Open the link and copy this link over here. Copy this, close the browser and paste it here. Then put your network name and network password. Then under tools, select node MCU ESP32 module. So now we have uploaded the code. Now let's plug it in and test it out. It should show Wi-Fi, fetching, and now it's working properly. It shows the subscribers and now the number of people who have viewed my channel. So thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please give this video a like, and also do not forget to share it to others. And also, for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. See you friends in the next video. Bye.